Crypto Television back with another episode on cryptocurrency and the market as a whole. As you guys, I don't know if all of you have noticed, but I've changed my name on my YouTube from Hayden Schreier to Crypto Television, and I changed my picture of myself to a Crypto TV. So if you guys like that and notice that, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your opinions on it. Furthermore, let's get into the market today. And what I'm wearing is not what anyone thinks it is. It's a gym like singlet. So I'm gonna go to the gym after this. So basically, if we look in the market today, everything is up, which is really nice to see after terrible, terrible, terrible days of downtrend. Still nowhere near all-time highs like we were before, but we do like to see some type of uptrend, which we are starting to see in cryptocurrency. Litecoin is up to 160, up 4.6%. Ripple up to $1.07. Ethereum 870, Bitcoin 8,872. And as you can see, Litecoin is one of the higher cryptocurrencies that are up today. Out of Bitcoin, Litecoin is second, and then Ethereum and Ripple. So not too bad. I do believe strongly in in Litecoin. So let's check out the market and what is happening today. So going off what a lot of people commented in my last few videos, everybody was very negative, or some people were very negative towards what is happening with Litecoin right now, and a lot of you say, oh, we're coming down, we're going to keep going down. I disagree. I think we're going to go up now. I think the downtrend is over. We may see some consolidation, a small decline, but I hope to say that we are going to stay above the blue line, which is a very big line of resistance. As you can see here, we have strongly broken out of that on our line of support at around $1.40. And we are now facing some resistance at 160, which is our next resistance line. So we're basically in between 160 and 170 is a big resistance area that we need to go up from. So once we break out of that, I can see us going much, much, much higher. What I do and did like to see Litecoin doing was it challenge the middle moving average again. What is good in crypto is we always usually come down or come up to the middle moving average, and we like to test that either to fall lower, being bearish, or the bulls win and we break up and retest the moving average and go higher than that. As you can see, we have clearly passed the moving average by a very slight amount, and we are starting our second uptrend, which is very nice to. Just going to draw the line black. You'll notice that we have this very smooth sailing uptrend, and hopefully the bulls will win and break this 160 line and push us higher throughout the day, which I do think we're going to see. I can see us going back to maybe the 170 mark and challenging 170 by the end of today, which is really nice to see Litecoin doing. So that is a very good sign. If we go into the daily, you'll see that we are very good on our the RSI, the relative stochastic indicator. So we are doing very well there. We are starting to make higher lows, and you can see we are forming some type of uptrending pattern here, sort of something like, I don't know, something in this area, maybe like this. You can see we are just pumping and going a lot higher, so that is very nice to see crypto doing, and especially Litecoin. I'm just going to delete that line and give us a better view. So that is definitely good news for Litecoin and crypto today. So if you are holding Litecoin, keep holding. If you haven't gotten into this run, I would probably buy Litecoin. The link is in the description where you can buy it on Coinbase. You get $10 extra for whatever $100 you put in. I think, or it's the first time actually. Resistance that we are facing right now is going to be around 170. You'll notice numerous times it has acted as support for us, bouncing up off of it, and then we've had this 160 that we use as support too, that becomes resistance at certain levels, but definitely 170 will be the biggest challenge for Litecoin. But I think we have enough potential to break through that and then use it as a form of support that we can look forward to if we ever come down. So I think that's a very good sign for Litecoin right now. It is definitely to set some type of uptrend. As you'll notice, Clearly, we're not all the way up there, but it is a start. You'll notice right here that we do have, this is probably a better line to draw, a clear uptrending pattern going on right here that it is following. I can probably fix it more like that. That it's going on, that it's traveling on, which is very nice to see. We're not constantly making lower lows and higher lows, which is nice. The downtrend is finally broken, which is good to see. So hopefully now this will start the bulls pattern and we can continue upwards. As for Bitcoin, let's check it out. Oh, it seems like Bitcoin is a few steps behind Litecoin. You'll notice on Litecoin we've already broken out of this downtrend. We've already retested the minimum moving average. And it seems like for Bitcoin, it is just broken out of this downtrend, which is a good sign, but we can fall lower and stay in it. We need it to go a lot higher, maybe 9 or 10,000 for me to have good faith that we're above this downtrend. But we are again setting a reversal that you can see. This is like a reversal pattern that we are starting to go upwards now instead of down. So if you bought around 5,800, you hold on to it for a while, because that is a really good steal to be buying Bitcoin at. Now we are, like I said, retesting the minimum moving average. Hopefully with this line of support that's going up, we can break through that very easily and see some higher highs, and we can set a higher high than yesterday, the previous day, which is a good sign in a reversal terms that we are going to start to go up. As you can see, we closed at around 8,053 and we are now currently at 8,800. So we are making progress and moving up, which is really nice to see. You don't normally see that in the past few months. Everything has just been going down, but you'll notice that it is possible we can break out of this downtrend and then come back into it. So we'll have to see what exactly happens. We can continue farther. This can be the highest it goes and comes down farther, but hopefully we'll continue upwards and retest this moving average, which we have to do on the daily. If you check on Litecoin, you'll notice we're pretty much testing the moving average right now. Like this past few days, we've been playing around and testing the moving average, and what we need to see is Litecoin go above the moving average on the daily candle. Now, what I am inferring is when the red moving average crosses the green one, we have a bearish market. So what we want to look for is to see this green line cross over the red line again, as you saw in this breakout and in other break. The red right here, oops, you'll notice the green crosses over the red, and when it reverses, you'll see that we have a downtrend. But as soon as it crosses, the green crosses over, it's an upward bullish breakout. So hopefully we will see Litecoin cross over again. We'll see the green cross over the red, and that is a clear indicator of a bull run for Litecoin. So it's nice to see that we are finally retesting and coming back up to surface, and probably we're either going to hang out along the middle moving average like we've done in the past, or we're just going to break out again, which will be nice to see. As for Bitcoin, it does have a lot of catching up to do. We need to go back to retest that moving average before we can go any higher. As for Ethereum, we can check out that. You'll notice we are also doing the same thing, retesting the moving average on the daily. And on the daily, we are, again, retesting the daily moving average, but in a different way. The other way, we were more bullish on the 4-hour. On the daily, we are more bearish. You can see we've been pushing down just to consolidate, I guess, after this major bull run we've had in Ethereum. So I can definitely see Ethereum hitting this, which we did right here, actually. We retested the moving average, and we are currently bouncing off that, which is usually what happens. We don't just fall right through. We bounce and go right back up. So we can see it going up. It'll probably hit $1,000 again, Ethereum, and then I can see it falling to retest the moving average, and we'll see where it goes from there. I'm not a fortune teller. But otherwise, that's pretty much going to sum up the video for today. I will be getting my equipment to make better videos currently, probably this week. Maybe I'll get some stuff in the mail that I've ordered. Otherwise, if you have any other recommendations or you'd like me to do an analysis on any other cryptocurrencies or altcoins, leave a comment in the description or in the comments below. And please like, comment, and subscribe. I love hearing all your comments and seeing what your opinion is about the markets, whether it's negative or positive. Any feedback's good feedback to me. So if you have any comments, please leave it in the description, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.